Born Beauties, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. All right, you guys, so today we're going to be talking about the benefits of rose water for acne. Now, I've already made a previous video talking about the benefits of rose water for the face, but I kind of want to just zone in on acne because, as you guys know, we specialize in acne oily prone skincare over here. So I wanted to make this a very direct video about the benefits of rose water for acne. If you haven't already, take a moment and subscribe, like this video, and share me with a friend. Let's go ahead and let's get this video to 10 likes, okay? I'm trying to get those likes up on these videos. If you're liking my content, why not? Hit the like button. So the rose water that I am currently using is Skyn Water's Rose Water in a 4-ounce. Smells like a rose water. It's bomb. Like, I like pure rose water. This product here by Skyn Water, it reduces inflammation, redness, anti-aging, maintains pH balance, revitalizes and refreshes the face. And we're going to talk about that too as we talk about rose water when it comes to acne, because those are some very key things that you want to have for your skin when it comes to acne, and we'll tie it all together and talk about that as well. Let's break this down. First, let's talk about what rose water is. If you are unfamiliar with what rose water is where you take roses, rose petals, and you steep them in water. Usually people boil the water with the roses in it and then, you know, drain it. Some people just put the roses in the water, let it sit for a couple of days, and then they drain it and just take the essence of the rose in water and bottle it. That is what rose water is. How would you use rose water? So rose water can be used by directly spraying it onto your face, like in this case, or using a little pad, a cotton round, spraying onto there and then wiping the face down. Rose water can also be used if you want to refresh the face. Let's say it's been like a long day, maybe you have, you know, your skin probably feels a little dry, a little parched. It is a great way to spray the face down to just refresh it and to give it a little boost of the benefits of rose water, okay? So now that we got those out the way, just a little quick recap on what it is and how to use it, let's talk about the benefits of rose water for acne prone skin. And also, when I'm talking about acne prone skin, I'm also talking about oily skin, because usually acne prone skin and oily skin go hand in hand. So firstly, rose water is an anti-inflammatory, and that is really great because when you are having active breakouts, when the skin is, you know, red or upset, and it's inflamed, this helps to reduce that, okay? Anything that you use for acne, you want it to be anti-inflammatory, right? Next, it is antibacterial, which is another great benefit. A lot of times, because of bacteria, you can get breakouts. So using something that's antibacterial helps to keep that skin as clean as possible, helps keep away any bacteria that's going to cause any further breakouts. It is also antiseptic. There are antioxidants in rose water. Antioxidants keep the skin looking its best, looking as young as possible, so that's always great. It balances the pH of skin. Sometimes with using certain products, you can mess your pH up when it comes to the skin. So using a rose water can just help to recenter the skin, okay? Especially if you're using maybe like an acne wash. You know, you want to make sure you use it as a toner to just rebalance the skin. Always keep that skin balanced so that it can receive your products good and so that it can be able to look good and function correctly, all right? Next, rose water is very hydrating. Even though you have acne oily prone skin, you still need to hydrate. So I like to spray it down on my face before applying like my serums and my moisturizers, because it really helps to add in that extra moisture and, you know, retain the moisture in the skin. It reduces redness and soothes the skin. When it comes to acne, you can have a lot of redness, as we all know. You can have a lot of irritation. So the main thing with acne is that you want to find something that's going to soothe the skin, and that's what rose water does. It's really great at soothing the skin. That it removes excessive oil, which is great because, like I said, when you have acne, you have oily prone skin. They go hand in hand. So I say when you're removing oil, or if you have oily skin, you want to use rose water on a cotton round and then wipe the skin down to remove any excess oil. And it's great because it's also water based, so it kind of cleanses in a way. Not really, but it kind of cleanses in a way. So you get the benefits of rose water. Now, really quickly, if you want to talk about like what types of rose water to use, I always say go with the rose water that is a rose water. Roses and water. period. Nothing extra added to it. Keep it simple. Skin water, I will leave a link down below to their products, but currently this is the rose water that I'm using. I also have used the Heritage rose water, which I really do like, and this is cruelty free and it's paraben free as well. I will leave some links down below to some of the rose waters in which I use for you guys to go and check out, or you can just make it yourself by boiling water, adding in some rose petals, and draining it. Okay, I'm thinking about doing a video for you guys on how I make my rose water, because I do make rose water myself, so I wanted to share that with you guys. If you're interested in that, hit the like button, comment down below, make rose water. If you want to see how I do, if you guys want a video, comment down below, make rose water, and hit the like button. Okay, please do not leave this video without subscribing if you are not subscribed. Like the video, let's get this video to 10 likes, and share me with a friend. And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.